Hello everyone. This question was asked in GEAT 2007 for production engineering specialization. The question was, the grey cast iron block has to be produced by sand casting operation. The shrinkage pattern making allowance is 1%. What is the ratio of volume of the pattern to the volume of the casting? So they are asking about the ratio of volume of the pattern to the volume of the casting, and they specifically want this ratio for grey cast iron and for this pattern making allowance of 1%. So we all know this grey cast iron has some specific material properties and thermal properties. So what it does, when it solidifies or when it cools, it expands another material. They basically contract during this solidification or cooling process. So it becomes easy for us to design a pattern. So in this, the volume of the pattern has to be less as compared to the volume of the casting. Why? Because pattern we have to design in such a way that its size will come automatically as compared to the same as compared to this casting process, okay, or volume of the casting. So let us see how we can do this. They have also mentioned the dimension of this rectangular block. So along length it has 200 units, along width it has 100 units, and along depth it is 10 units. So let us see what is this ratio is coming out. So as they have mentioned, the volume of the pattern to the volume of casting has to be found out. So if we deduct 1% from each of the dimension, let us say from 200, 1% is 2, from 100 it is 1, and for 10 it is 0.1. So volume of the pattern along length will be coming out, it is 198 multiplied by 99 along width multiplied by 9.9 along height direction. So after multiplication we are getting this 0.99 multiplied by 0.99 multiplied by 0.99, and it is coming as to be 0.97. So using this concept we can solve two more problems. Consider that next time they are asking about a different material, let us say bismuth. So in this bismuth the shrinkage allowance is negligible. So if they are asking about the same specific problem but for different material, how should we approach? If you know the shrinkage allowance is negligible for the bismuth, so you can easily calculate. Here the volume of the pattern and to the volume of the casting will remain same. So you don't need to change or modify any type in terms of the pattern volume. So its ratio will become 1. Let us solve one more question. If they are asking about some specific material which is not grey cast iron and which is not the bismuth. So for this, the volume, what is this ratio coming out? This ratio will be coming out as greater than 1, because what will happen during this solidification process, in this solidification process, the material will contract. So in order to compensate this contraction, we need to increase the size of the pattern. And in that case, this ratio will become more than 1. Thank you.